How to download TikTok app easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to download TikTok app. It's actually really easy. So let's get started. TikTok is a short video sharing platform which is really famous, and we can download it on our Apple phone or on our Android phone. So I have Android and I'll show you how to do that, and the process is same for your Apple phone as well. So what you guys need to do is you will open up your Play Store or your Apple Store. That's what you have to do. And I have opened up my Google Play Store. So here we are, and we have to search for TikTok. So you can see we have TikTok right here. This is the logo, and you will just select it, and here you will get the option of install. I can see the option of update because I have already installed it. So you will just click on install, and it will take a few minutes to install to your phone. Then you will open up TikTok app, and you can follow people and you can create your own account to post fun TikToks, and it will help you get more followers and you will become famous. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.